Hey, coin collectors. Welcome back to COİN. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1981 Lincoln cent, a coin that's often overlooked but still worth knowing about. This particular coin is in circulated brown condition, showing minimal wear and only a few contact marks. The reverse displays some detonation and tarnishing, but nothing too distracting. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now let's dive into the details. The 1981 Lincoln cent is not considered rare or highly valuable, especially in uncirculated condition. It was produced in large numbers for circulation, so it doesn't carry much of a numismatic premium. In 1982, there was a major change. The composition shifted from 95% copper to 97.5% zinc, still with a copper plating. That means pre-1982 cents, even in circulated condition, can be worth more than their face value due to the copper melt value. If your 1981 Lincoln cent is a copper-based coin and in brilliant uncirculated condition, it may attract some interest from collectors. However, it's important to keep in mind that 1,981 cents are still fairly common, as billions were minted. PCGS expert Jaime Hernandez points out that only coins rated MS-67 or higher are considered rare. Anything rated MS-68 or above is very rare and should definitely be sent in for grading, as it's one of the nicest examples out there. Now, for the most impressive example, a 1981 MS-67 Plus red coin, one of only two perfect specimens reported, sold for a stunning $5,170 at Heritage auctions. This coin was almost flawless, free from blemishes, and had incredible luster. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe before you head off to watch another video. See you in the next one.